What we were just practicing in terms of the Jui-yin and the 24th difficulty and the depth of where that illness is, please understand, there is no way to get a patient on a table and do what we just did, and then they get off and their Jui-yin is fixed. The Jui-yin is deep. We can't fix that in one treatment. Yin only fixes with rest and nourishment. Those are two things we cannot do with acupuncture. What we can do is remove all of the irritants that are keeping them from resting, keeping them from being able to absorb the nourishment, keeping their body from being able to go into a parasympathetic, in Western language, state, which would then nourish the yin. Okay? But there's no way to hit a point and all of a sudden the body goes yin. No, you can help yang, excited. They might be tired afterwards. You can calm, you can shift qi, but you can't add. You can subtract. Cut, bleed, subtract it. Okay? But we cannot add with acupuncture. And so with Jui-yin, it's critical to understand that our strategies are remove the irritants. That's what we're all finding in here, all these things that are causing there. Help the flow so things will do better. And know that we cannot expect something to get better in a day. That's Jui-yin or Xiao-yin. All of those three yins are not, that's it, they got better. No, that's great. We're talking about really, the 24th Nan is talking about really far gone, really deep stuff. And so you're bringing them back, and it takes time. So, good diet, or herbs, or when to exercise, don't exercise at first, then exercise, all of those things are critical. But please understand that they're talking about something that's not one treatment and they're better. This is deep work that we're playing with today, and then you should be able to extrapolate from this deep layer work. How do I bring this to my patient base that's not so sick that the whites of the teeth are showing or everything else is happening?